Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change these tube lights, or some people call them fluorescent lights, when they aren't working as well as they used to or flickering like these are. So this example has a cover on it. There's also tube light housings that do not have covers. As you can see, this is an example of one that's on my garage ceiling. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change one with a cover because that's just an extra step. So I might as well show you how to do that. You just slide it to one side and unclip the one side. There's no screws or anything like that. Slide it back, shift it back, and then unclip the other side. Just be careful because sometimes a loose tube light will fall out on you. You can see these have seen better days. They're burnt out on the ends. And if you look closely on your tube lights, you can see that there are different types of tube lights, both length and diameter. These are 4-foot tube lights, and these are T12s. So it's always important to shop for and get the replacement bulbs that'll fit the same. To remove these, all you have to do is give them a little half or quarter twist, and that's going to get the two prongs on the end lined up where they can slide out of that slot. So like I said, mine were T12s. They also make T8 and T5s. That's going to be the diameter of the light bulb. And then these are 4-footers. So just make sure you order the same ones that you need replaced. I went ahead and put a link in the description below to the ones that I ordered for this project. Once you get your replacement tubes, then it's just simply reinstalling them, and it's really easy. Align the two prongs on one side, slide them in on the other side, and then once you get both sides slid in, you're just going to give that same quarter turn, and you will actually feel the tube sit in there securely. So give it a little quarter turn here. The tube will sit in place, and that's really all you have to do to get this back in. Put the cover back on if your tube lights have a cover on them, and turn your light back on, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and I always appreciate people subscribing to my channel.